Prem Namaste. My name is Dr. Vijay Mittal. Today I'm standing next to a wonderful tree. We call it Arjuna. Arjuna is a very important medicinal tree plant in Ayurveda. It is famous for its wonderful properties. So I thought that people around the world, they must know about this wonderful tree. That is why I chose to speak on Arjuna today. The part that we mainly use for medicinal use is the bark of this tree. You can see this is the bark of this tree. So when you peel the bark, it is slightly pinkish in color. Whenever you take the bark out of a tree, always try to peel a smaller area. Do not peel it all over because it may damage the tree. So that is the precaution we need to take in order to save the tree. The botanical name of this tree is Terminalia arjuna. This tree is mainly used in treating various cardiac conditions. It's a very good cardiac tonic. It improves the efficiency of the heart. Many patients where the efficiency of the heart is poor or low because of the weak cardiac muscles, it plays a great role in improving the efficiency. Also in Ayurveda, we use this tree in treating the blood pressure, the tachycardia, the palpitation, and also the cholesterol. Arjuna, as I mentioned, we use mainly the bark of this tree. The bark of this tree, we use it as a decoction. We prepare a tea out of it. That's what we drink. So apart from treating the cardiac condition, Arjuna tea is very good in strengthening our bones, cartilage, and it also improves the quality of our sleep. So I will explain you how to use the bark of this tree. So this is the bark of this tree. What we can do, if you can find the fresh bark directly from the tree, you may take it around 10 gram. But if it is not available fresh, you may take the dried bark of this tree and you can prepare powder out of it, and you may use the 5 gram powder of the dried bark. Normally the 5 gram is 1 level teaspoon. So please add 1 teaspoon of the powder of this bark, the dried one, into a glass of water. Maybe 250 gram to 300 grams of water. Slightly boil it at low heat, and once the water is reduced to half or 1/3, then you may leave it, and then you can strain it and may drink lukewarm. You may also add 1 or 2 cardamom to it. That is also a very good cardiac tonic. There is another way of preparing the tea out of it. There you may take 1 cup of milk and you may add 1 cup of water to it. And then once it start boiling or start getting warm, then you may add 1 teaspoon of the powder of the Arjuna bark. And again slightly boil it gently, and once the water part is evaporated, only the milk is left, then please take it off the heat, let it cool down, and again you may drink it lukewarm. This Arjuna tea is a very potent cardiac tonic. I want people around the world, they must know about this tree and they can grow this tree. I hope that we can create a platform where we can do certain research on these wonderful trees so that we can create a society that is less dependent on medicine. So if we are aware of our diet, lifestyle, we are in tune with the nature around us, and we got some information, some knowledge about this wonderful trees, the herbal plants. I hope that will help in creating a society that will be more in tune with themselves and less dependent on drugs. Thank you very much. Namaste.